Since concert Master Philip Pre after a long wait. Hindi ko in-expect na makaka-attend ako sa concert na naman. Big shoutout at thank you kay Master Jehan. Master Jehan, I owe you big time. Thank you so much po para sa ticket sa concert na. Nakalibre na naman tayo dahil sa mga master. Maraming salamat kay Master Jehan. God bless po. Thank you so much sa ticket at pamerienda. 7 Sins Pre. Tapos may kasama pa tayo dito master, oh. Nakilala tayo eh. Pala si Master Sheila. Ay, Master Sheila nga.
Hello.
Hello po.
Nice meeting you.
Enjoy po tayo sa concert mamaya.
Yes,
Master
I know Sheila. I will.
ano pong nilolook forward nyo sa ano?
Lost.
Favorite? Lost. Sige po.
I'll be very honest, last talaga gusto ko.
Ako din sa ano, nag-review ako noon.
Napanood ko din yun. Actually, napanood ko.
Sige po. Si Master Sheila, hi.
Thank you.
Akit na tayo dito sa 5th floor. Grabe, mga tao ko to pare, nakaitim lahat. Puro nakaitim yun pare. This is my people, man. Itim. Sa lahat ng vlog ko, puro ko nakaitim. Ito lang pala yung mga tao ko eh, yung mga sisiw pare. Diba? Holy shit man, dito lang pala. Kaya mga gusto ko. Puro itim nakikita ko. Dave, so ito yung ano. Ito yung saan tayo magpipila mamaya. Yan, so yun yung guardia do, si sir. Mga 12 pa tayo mga ano. So it's 11:31. So 30 minutes. Alright, strapping. Thank you so much. Ibigay ni ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Tatanggalin daw to, tapos siyempre then I'm gonna press. Oh my god, ito pala. Hey! Damn, yes. Laki ng mukha ni Ken. Pogi ah.
Pogi yan.
Hey. Ano pangalan nila, ma'am?
Jo.
Si Ma'am Jo. Para to sa last to eh.
Bagay na kami.
Ito pala guys. Present your ID. Tapos talagang kanyan. Yan. Dami pa dun. So tara na. Layas na tayo. Balik na tayo.
Bye.
Pare. Tapos na tayong pumila. Dito na to. Balik na tayo mamaya. Ano ba to? Regular? Yun pare. Space. Ano to? Oh my god. What the fuck? Damn. Okay. This is my first fucking time, man. Saan na ba to? Sorry.
Ikinigil mo ito na. Pero
sobrang kalayo. Shit. seconds.
7 years now. If we could fix it up.
Hi everybody. I'm sorry, I can't hear very well because my ears are not working. But how are you guys? Just want to give a shout out to Philip for singing the song that was really close to my heart. In a very good way. So we can appreciate something. Somebody you don't call me baby. This is what I fucking need. I wanna feel your issues anymore. And every time I see I want you more. I want you to put it on.
madudumi. Kung i-compare mo kay Philip.
If it's not about you, cause it's not about you.
Pangit ang boss. Hey!
Cause you wanna go.
Damn!
If it's not about you, if it's not about you.
iba wala na. SB19 na palagi meron yan. Damn. I thought lalabas pa si Philip, no? But I guess that was it. Shit. Wait. Panatalakan ako. Tapos na yung concert pa rin. Baliw na. Baliw na. Tapos na nga, no? Wow, that was wild. That was wild for all. By the way, that was the first concert of Master Philip, so that was awesome, man. The energy was wild. Master Philip was wild. Everyone was wild. The people was wild. So ito na, kuha tayo dito. May perks tayong poster ng ano. Thank you po. Oh shit, man. The concert has a poster of Master Philip. So again, thank you so much kay Master Jehan. Master Jehan, napakalupit mo at maraming salamat sa panonood. This concert was the bomb, man. And this is just the first, man. So napakaangas nun, first concert pa lang, preso. Maraming salamat po sa mga nanonood ng mga master natin. Tatago ko poster ni Master Philip. So that was it. Thank you so much and see you in the next vlog. SB19 lang malakas. SB19 paved the way. SB19 is king. Philip is the rockstar. Napakalupit. See you soon. I love you all. Bye.